This is the band, yeah. This is the second project of ours, which is about managing machine learning project uh, for the course, which is about the AI product management from Duke University. The project that we are going to discuss here is about the accounts payable uh, section, which is from finance, and the project is about the invoices, which are supposed to be paid on time. So accounts payable paid on time project. Okay, so let's look into it. So the first one is about the opportunity evaluation. So the problem introduction is about the accounts payable team inadvertently delay catching discrepancies and meeting payment deadlines by instinctively prioritizing invoices. Okay. And while doing so, while invoices requiring more time for resolution may lack proactive attention, and the rest processing that happens in here can lead to payment errors and also delay in meeting up an important metric in accounts payable, which is paid on time. A very important, metric when it comes to accounts payable. So let's look into it further. So the three criteria for identifying good opportunities is whether there is a problem, can ML help to solve it, and does someone care about this project? So when it comes to if there is a problem, yes, of course there is a problem. So the late processing on the invoices bring bad repute to the organization. This also cuts down on the opportunity of receiving payment discounts, which is generally provided on the timely payment of the invoices. This is to maintain the cash flow of of any organization. All right. Uh, and the early discounts that we receive while we do a timely payment is also a very important factor here because it is all about capturing those discounts. Now the second part of it is about can ML help to solve it? Yes, the Auto ML feature is an intuitive user interface which will be, I mean, the one that we are going to create, and this is something which will be able to help in predicting the timely payment of indexed invoices using the historical data patterns, and its output can guide accounts payable and prioritizing the investigation of invoices which is approaching their due dates. So yes, of course, ML can help you. Does someone care? Yes, the management gives their complete support as they care for the reputation of the company and they do not want to go late on processing the invoices. And also they were also aware of the fact on the benefits, the monetary benefits of receiving the early discounts when they do timely payment. When it comes to crisp DM business understanding, again, if I have to define the problem, the accounts payable team, as we discussed earlier, is the discrepancies that they deal with while they want to make the payment on the invoices on time, and if there are any invoices wherein they are going to you know take more time when it comes to finding out the correct resolution, these things can be solved out. Okay, this is something that we have discussed earlier, and as we know, the rest processing can lead to payment errors. So what is the success criteria here? If I have to talk about the success criteria, utilizing an AI driven approach to prioritize invoices for the processing and the follow ups not only enhances the metric of the timely payments but also mitigates the risk of losing cash discounts, which is about the discount capture. The outcome for this project is about encashing the early payment discounts and also improve on the POT, which, as I told earlier, a very important metric when it comes to accounts payable. So, in and after, we'll call it as POT metric, and thereby increasing in the earning. Also, when it comes to the output, it is the reduction in terms of the MSC predictions and corrections. The relevant factors that we need to consider here is about invoice tracking, time for clearing those invoices, early tracking of discrepancies, and capturing the early discounts. The solution validation plan that we have set here is about these 4 points, which is about creation of user-friendly AutoML desktop application, which will predict timely payment of index invoices by analyzing historical data patterns. The second one is about the application's output, which is going to enable the accounts payable to prioritize the investigation of invoices projected to approach their payment due dates. The third one is about the application constructs an AI model as we planned it. This application is going to construct an AI model which is going to utilize the historical data for enhanced prediction accuracy. And the fourth one is about a readily available data collection template, which is going to facilitate the efficient input for the AI model. So we are going to provide the users a readily available template, which when they fill, I mean, when once they fill and give it to us, we are going to, or maybe they themselves, once they validate it, they can use as the input data on for this AI model. So ML system and design decision. So we had to take a call on whether it is going to be on cloud or edge, whether the learning is going to be offline or online, whether it is going to be batch versus online prediction. So as mentioned in the previous slide, we are going to have this implemented in desktop. So essentially, this is going to be on edge. When it comes to offline and online learning, this is just because of the characteristics of the parameter and offline learning model, training will be the right choice for this. When it comes to batch versus online prediction, based on the characteristics of the measurement parameter already described above, right now the prediction should be generated in batch. So here is the one. So we are going with the edge. This is about considering the ML design decision that we need to take. So we're going to go with the edge, the offline learning, and the batch prediction. So this is going to be the ML system design. The potential risk that we might encounter here is or something which might additionally influence the output, which is about the factors which may additionally influence the output or the measurement values, is about the correct historical data. And this correct historical data is the single most important factor here. And hence, to mitigate this, the data collection template will be provided, but still a cautious approach has to be maintained. Okay. So, yeah, this was about the presentation that we had on managing machine learning projects. Thank you so much for listening to me. Have a great day ahead.